Start that one. Red light. Great. Drop the. Okay, drop that. All right. Get this up. All right. So now, all right. What is today? Today is December 11th. December 11th, 11 o'clock. No. December 18th, 11 o'clock. There we go. December 18th, 11 o'clock. There's a backup video. Okay. Let me get to it. All right. So. If you don't already know, and if you can't, let's see. Alright, so this is a General Electric 5260 that I unboxed a couple days ago. And it doesn't have an antenna and the cassette deck doesn't work. But I can hear the motor run, alright? And then if you don't know, this is also a General Electric 3-6000. And down here is a digital model. I think it's a 3-6035 digital model. I have all the knobs to it. They're in the battery compartment. And here's another General Electric. Works perfectly. It just has this one stupid little cosmetic issue here where this got bent or broke off. Works perfectly. Otherwise, I repaired it. Then while I'm on the subject of GEs, I have this GE, if you can see this, double cassette, alright? And then I have another double cassette right here. So, and these all work. They're for sale for what it's worth. And I have some more GEs, but I can't remember where they are. But, oh yeah. Then I have this great big Michael Jordan posed with this thing. It's a 3-59, wait. 3-50, I can't remember, what does it say on the back? It's a 3-5295A, alright? And this is the digital model. It's the same thing as a Sharp GF8787 or as a Sharp GF9797. I can't remember which, but anyway, this is here. It's got a boo-boo there. And I haven't had a chance to work on it yet, but hopefully it will after the end of today. Alright? So now, alright, so once again, I showed you a few, and then here's a JVC. I gotta fix this in the next 6 days, and so on and so forth. And so, anyway, what else? I just got a bunch of other radios here. I'm gonna take all these things off, down, and play with, and reorganize this room. I'm going to do that in a few days' time. The lady that's talked about this radio here, she double boxes, so she said. So it's going to be 2 boxes. There we go. That's 1 box. There's another box. Great. Okay, so I just put this out of here. Fine. Now, and the other thing she also said is that she did not have a cassette to test this with, so we will find out together whether or not the belt is broke or not. Okay? And that's all we know there. Oh yeah, come on. Well, good tape. There we go. Hey, you shouldn't, well. We got newspaper and bubble wrap. Great. So, and oh goody, she didn't use a whole bunch of tape on this. Oh, lovely, lovely look. I mean, it's got a power cord. Yahoo! Okay, well, it's all one piece. Well, it was all one piece. Good. She went around this way. Great. Very good. Oh, this has an antenna. Yay! Okay, so there it is. Okay, she left it plugged in. Golly, unplug these things, people. They won't get all bent up like that. All right, that's just a standard plug. Okay. All right, so now get this out of here briefly. Good shot. Now I brought a cassette. There we go. So this is turned on. It's working. So I got a good power plug here. So here's the power plug, goes in there. We got tunes, radio. Okay, the radio switch is dirty. Now the radio works. Put it on tape. Hit eject. It opens up properly. A little slow. Okay. Okay. Needs a belt. Okay. Needs a belt. You can hear the motor run. That's fine. This takes a 9 or 9.5 inch belt. Can't remember, but that's all I need to know. Okay, so the radio works. This has got an antenna. Okay. It's got an antenna, so here it is. So, one with, one without an antenna. Alright, so like that. Like this. Okay. I like this model because it's got Dolby, bass treble, balanced, volume, and line-in. Okay, which you can see right there on the back. It's got line-in. Alright, so line-in, yahoo. Takes 60 batteries, 2 watts a channel roughly. Okay, so I've had too much fun. That's all I know. Let me just pick up this camera, if I can get it off of here, and see if anyone's watching. No, well, 2 people. Okay. So, just, there's a 5700, and there's other models here on the shelf. I'll just pan around real slowly. Let you see what you can see. There's a, whatever color that is, Panasonic 5100, right? And then just other models here. Just so much stuff. Okay. There's all that. There's that thing. There's my favorite kaboom, which I'll be playing. There's that. And then I'm going to say goodbye. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Alright, so now our post now. Never delete. Post now. Great. And then, while the other YouTube thing is still rolling onward, okay, let me grab that camera off the tripod and briefly give y'all 7 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes. Alright, so once again, just panning through the room here. Let's see, we got what? Well, I didn't want to show that, but there's a Autoreverse JBC. There's a, what is it, Hitachi. Another Hitachi. Cassettes. The Sony. We need that in the box. We got a pink, you know, that thing. Cassette deck needs a spindle. One of the spindle things popped off. It needs a micro tiny little whatever to catch it. Okay. Here's my showy helmet box. Got a bunch of monos up here. Okay. I got I need to service that, but it works perfectly. Got new speakers in it. C100 Panasonic National or whatever, I can't remember. I got a battery for that to fix that. More monos, JBC, Sanyo, more, I don't know, and then just more of these. Here's a General Electric, the analog and the digital model, the same thing. There's another GE. There's the other GE. There's another, well, that's a GE. There's another GE. There's a, what was that? That's a 8614. There's a, I gotta work on that. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, well, I got that. That's the 8443, which I repaired, but okay. We got just all this stuff here. Alright, got all these here. Most all these are for sale, in case you don't know. Alright, just ask. I'm gonna try. I got 2 weeks here to work on this stuff and get rid of them, sell them. Okay, and then this is, you know, the I gotta neaten this stuff up, but these are some of the radios I'm going to keep. Some of these I'm going to sell. Some of these you haven't seen before. All right, there's some you haven't seen before. This is not for sale, not for sale, not for sale, not for sale, not for sale. These are for sale. Those three right there. Those are okay. Don't want to. Too much fun. All right, and then there's the Christmas tree. Good day. Bye bye.